What's going on, year 10? How you doing? This is Action Jackson from the Fix Up team. I am so excited. Let me tell you why I'm excited. Because life is beautiful. Life is amazing. Some of you are thinking, what do you mean life is beautiful? Life is amazing. Have you looked outside your window to see what's been happening on the world? Have you seen what's been happening on TV? Yes, I've seen all those things. The lockdown, the quarantine, all the beefing that's been happening across nations. But guess what? I want to say we're still alive, we're still well, which means that life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Reason why I wanted to record this for you is so to get you in the zone. I know the lockdown and the school closure has meant that you've now had more time, but many people have done more gaming, they've done more TikToks. More TikToks, yeah. But here's the truth. There's still going to be a new term. And the new term is going to require new focus. A new term is going to require new focus. And if you're not focused, it's going to affect your future. Everything you do today will affect your future. Everything you do today will affect your future. Remember that. So very quickly, I just want to share with you a couple of slides that's going to help you get into the right zone and the right mindset so that you can begin to develop your right habits to get the right future that you want. Because I don't want you to fail. None of you watching this wants to fail. No one wakes up and say, oh, today I'm going to be a failure. No one says that. Everyone wants to do very well. So I'm actually Jackson from the Fix Up team. And listen, I'm so happy that you're watching this. Here we go. First key thing, reset and reinvent. Reset and reinvent. To reset means to start again. To reinvent means to recreate again. Reset means to start again. When you're playing computer games and you're like, oh, you know what? I don't like this game. I don't like the way it's going. You press the reset button, you start again. There is always a new day for you to start again. Every day is a new day to start again. Every day is a new day to start again. The whole earth, we're starting again. After all this mess, we're starting again. That's what reset stands for. Reinvent means, okay, I've got this. Let me reinvent it. Maybe I paint it to reinvent it. Maybe I take the case off and I put another case. That's reinvention. Reinvention is taking something and adding something to it or taking something away from it. That's what reinvention looks like. So for you, what does it look like? When you look at this picture right now, the question I'm asking you right now is, what do you see? What do you see? Do you see the woman or do you see the man playing the saxophone? Some of you are like, what do you mean? What do you mean the woman? What do you mean the man playing the saxophone? There are two images in this one. What is this trying to teach us? Life is how you see it. See, you can look at life and see one thing, and someone else can look at life and see another thing. I want you to have a different perspective on life. I want you to be able to look at this life situation and see the good, not the bad. Many people look at all this situation and they see the bad. No, I want you to start seeing the good. See, there's the good, the bad, and the ugly out of life. It depends on what you're deciding to focus on. So watch this now. Your thoughts affect your emotions. Let me give you an example. Thoughts. This is long, can't be bothered, I'm tired. I'll do it later. I don't really want to work. Thoughts. Emotions, feeling down. Actions, don't do anything. Results, zero. Many people have done this. Thoughts, lockdown, way, happy holiday, whoa, Netflix, woohoo, Disney Plus, woohoo, computer, yeah, TikTok, yeah. Those are the thoughts and emotion. What results are that going to bring? But someone says, you know what? I'm going to build my life. I'm going to make it better. I'm going to go back to school and I'm going to be better than I was before. You start working on yourself. This will affect you. Your thoughts affect your emotions. Emotions affect your actions. Actions affect your results in life. Please always remember this. You are amazing as you're watching this. You are amazing. Don't you ever let anything or anyone tell you otherwise. You are amazing. So here's the quote for today. Here's the quote for today. Hey, I am amazing. I will reset my mind. I will reinvent myself. I am amazing. I will reset my mind. I will reinvent myself. I am amazing. I will reset my mind. I will reinvent myself. I am amazing. I will reset my mind. I will reinvent myself. I will reinvent myself. I will reinvent myself. You can't come back into the new year the same old person. It'll be an insult. Decide once and for all, you're going to be a different person going into the new school year. Come on now, come on. So here's what's going to happen when you try to become a new version of you. You're going to try, and guess what's going to happen? You're going to fail. Yes, you're going to fail. You're going to fail. It's a given. You're going to fail. But guess what? That's okay. That's okay. Because when you fail, what should you do? Don't try again. Learn from your mistakes. Yes, learn from your mistakes. Because when you learn from your mistakes, you get better, you get stronger. Try, fail, learn, repeat. That's the cycle. That's the cycle. That's the cycle. The best way to predict your future is to create it. No one's going to create your future for you. Stop being in the passenger seat of your life. I want you to get into the driver's seat of your life. You drive your life where you want it to go. I don't want you to start looking at all your bad habits and just accepting them. No, 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 no. Remember, I am amazing. I will reset my mind. I will reinvent myself. How do you reset your mind? You start to think differently. How do you reinvent yourself? Decide what needs to start and what needs to stop. What needs to start in your life and what needs to stop? For me, I realized that social media has become something that's great, very creative, but it was getting very consuming. So I said to myself, I'm going to stop social media at a certain time in the day, and I'm going to start doing some reading, start doing some other things. So it's not as if you can't do the things that you enjoy, but you have to regulate it. How are you going to predict your future? You've got to create it. So what matters most is how you see yourself. How do you see yourself? How do you see yourself? That's what matters the most. And that's exactly what I want you to start thinking about. How do you see yourself now? And how do you see yourself in the future? Two different people. Future, now. Two different people. One is in the imagination, one is real. I'll give you a quick example. The way I see myself right now when I look in the mirror, I'm like, why are all my clothes shrinking? Dude, your clothes are not shrinking. You're expanding. I've been eating a lot, putting on a lot of weight. So I said to myself, you know what? That's how I see myself now. How would I like to see myself 30 days from now, 50 days from now? I'm going to be fit and I'm going to be focused. That's the person I want to recreate. Who do you want to recreate? 30 days from now, what kind of person do you want to be? 60 days from now, what kind of person do you want to be? 90 days from now, what kind of person do you want to be? Make a decision now as you're watching me. Make a decision. I'm watching you. Come on. Make a decision now. Because whoever you decide is what's going to determine your future. Please remember that. Remember that. So here's some example. I want you to create a vision board. What is a vision board? A vision board is a board with all your vision on it. You can create a digital vision board. Let me write it up for you so you can see it. Because I don't want you to make any excuses for me. I'm going to put here digital. Yeah, a digital vision board. A digital vision board. When I say digital, all you've got to do is go online, cut out some pictures of what you would like to be. Cut out some pictures of where you like to go. Cut out some pictures of the kind of grades you want to get. Let me show you some of the pictures that some people have created for themselves. This is a picture of what someone have copied and pasted from the internet. And the more they look at this, the more the brain says, okay, we're going to move towards there. This is like a treasure map of life, a treasure map. This is it. What does your treasure map look like? I don't want a roadmap. Roadmap is boring. I want you to create a treasure map. So every point in your life, you're achieving different things. Here's another one. Someone who decides, I'm going to be eating healthily. I want to feel good about myself. I love this one. I will be my own boss. I want to earn. They want to save money. This is somebody else's vision board. This is a vision board of a gymnast. Oh, I love this one. They're going to be practicing. They're going to be dreaming big. They're going to be making it happen. The question is, what's your vision board? I am amazing. I am amazing. Don't forget that. You are amazing. You are amazing. I am amazing. I will reset my mind. I will reinvent myself. Reset my mind, 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 reinvent myself. I am amazing. I will reset my mind. I will reinvent myself. That's what I want you to focus on. Reset, start thinking positive. Reinvent, create a new version of yourself. That's exactly what I want you to do. Now, What's going to be in your to-be list? Yes, to-be list. Who would you like to be? That's what I want you to create a list. As you're watching right now, I want you to pause the video and I want you to make a list of the kind of person you like to be 30 days from now. As in, if you have to work on yourself for the next 30 days and you say, okay, this is day one for me, and 30 days from now, I want to see this person. What does that person look like? When I mean not just physically, but in terms of character-wise, are they more organized? Are they more focused? Are they more consistent? That's exactly what I want you to create 30 days from now. Make sure that you create a new version of yourself. Now, here's a couple of things that you guys can begin to do actually over the next couple of weeks or days. Be more positive. Learn a language. Learn a language can actually help you develop your character. Number 3, manage your time better. Some of you go to bed late, you wake up late, you're watching all sorts on TV, watching all sorts online, watching YouTube. That's not going to help you. Number 4, managing your emotions. Okay, you want to be a better emotional manager. Number 5, I want to be happier. Number 6, I want to be more adventurous. Number 7, I want to be able to enjoy my environment and clean it. Number 8, I want to dance. Number 9, I want to write. Number 10, I want to read more. It's up to you what you create. But over the next 30 days, I want you to commit. Now, things to look out for when you're taking action. Number 1, you're going to be scared. Number 2, you're going to be lazy. Number 3, you're going to doubt yourself. Number 4, you're going to feel frustrated. Number 5, you're going to be tired. Number 6, you're going to feel negative opinion from different people. And number 7, you're going to feel anxiety. These emotions are normal. When they come, watch out. Get rid of them. Welcome them, accept them, and then get rid of them because you've got the version. Remember, reset, reinvent. Reset, reinvent. Reset, reinvent. Reset, reinvent. Reset, reinvent. That's your job. That's exactly. So for the next 21 days, create a new habit. Decide to be someone new. Whatever you do, please don't give up. Rule of 1. One thing every day towards everything that you need to do. One thing every day towards everything that you need to do. Whatever you do, rule of 1. Every day, I'm going to do different thing every day to help me become who I need to become. So to wrap up, watch this. I will reset my mind. I will reinvent myself. I will reset my mind. I will reinvent myself. I will reset my mind. I will reinvent myself. Don't give up, please. So that when you come back in the new school year, you're going to become a different person. Please, I beg you. Please, 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 please. Start now. Start today. Start small. Start now. Start today. Start small. Start today. Start small. Start today. Start small. Start today. Start small. Reset. Reinvent yourself. My name is Action Jackson from the Fix Up team. Thank you so much for watching this. I trust it's been inspiring. I trust it's motivated you. I trust it's helped you to kind of really look at your life differently. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to be worth it. Final thing I'd like to drop before I finish off. Team up with someone. Team up with someone that's going to partner with you over the next 30 days to make sure that you achieve the goals that you want to achieve. Okay? Take care. You've been amazing. God bless ya. Speak to you soon. Bye.